In this tutorial, we will guide you on how to effectively post mentions on Twitter using your PC. Follow these simple steps to ensure that your mentions reach the intended accounts seamlessly. To begin, open Twitter on your PC and navigate to the Post Compose box. This is where you can craft your message and engage with your followers. Next, when mentioning a specific account, type the I symbol before the usernames to tag them in your post. For instance, you can say, "I'm posting on AX," to direct your message to that particular account. Finally, once you have composed your message and included the necessary mentions, click or tap the post button to share your tweet with your followers and the mentioned accounts. By following these steps, you can effectively incorporate mentions into your tweets and engage with other users on Twitter. Utilize this feature to connect with individuals, brands, or organizations and enhance your online interactions. Posting mentions on Twitter allows you to acknowledge and interact with other users within the platform, fostering engagement and building connections. Stay active and responsive within the Twitter community by incorporating mentions into your tweets. That concludes our tutorial on posting mentions on Twitter via your PC. Implement these steps to enhance your tweeting experience and effectively communicate with your audience. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more valuable tips and tutorials.